Hello everyone. Today's topic is surgery one-liners.
Most common cause of acute pancreatitis is gallstone. Most common cause of chronic pancreatitis is alcohol. Most common cause of chronic pancreatitis in children is cystic fibrosis. Most common cause of pancreatic calcification is alcohol. Most common congenital variant is pancreas divisum. Most common site of thrombosis in chronic pancreatitis is splenic vein. Most common site of pseudoaneurysm in chronic pancreatitis is splenic artery. Most common complication of ERCP is acute pancreatitis. Dual procedure is distal pancreatectomy with Roux-en-Y pancreaticojejunostomy. Poston procedure is resection of tail followed by longitudinal pancreaticojejunostomy. Pain relief in chronic pancreatitis can be obtained by destruction of celiac ganglion. Pseudocyst of pancreas is most commonly a post-inflammatory cyst. The most common artery involved in pancreatic pseudoaneurysm is splenic artery. Hemorrhage is major complication following cystogastrectomy. Most common salivary stone is calcium phosphate. Most common renal stone is calcium oxalate. Most common stone in urinary bladder is uric acid. Most common stone in prostate is calcium phosphate. Most common stone in gallbladder worldwide is mixed stone. The most common site for pancreatic carcinoma is head. The best method to obtain tissue for the diagnosis of pancreatic carcinoma is transgastric FNAC guided by endoscopic ultrasound. The most common complication of Whipple's procedure is delayed gastric emptying. The most common surgical complication following Whipple's procedure is disruption of pancreatic anastomosis. Cyclophosphamide drug causes carcinoma bladder. The most common site of branchial cyst is junction of upper and middle third of sternocleidomastoid muscle. Dolman's procedure is for Zenker's diverticulum. Parathyroid gland post-surgery is commonly transferred to brachioradialis. The drug used in estrogen-dependent breast cancer is tamoxifen. The commonest surgical approach to a retrosternal goiter is via neck. Indication for surgical intervention in abdominal aortic aneurysm are size more than 5.5 cm in male, size more than 4.5 cm in females, expansion of greater than 0.5 cm within 6 months. A probe is inserted into the duct from which the discharge is emerging. A tennis racket incision is made and the flap is dissected to reach the duct. The duct is then excised. This procedure is known as microdocectomy. Chromic catgut is observed by enzymatic degradation and macrophage phagocytosis. Heller's operation is done for eclasia cardia. An abdominal mass in a patient with congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis is best seen during feeding. The earliest sign in Crohn's disease is aphthous ulcer. The incision for a fasciotomy involves the skin, subcutaneous tissue, superficial fascia, and deep fascia. Laxative abuse results in the production of ammonium urate stones. The most common organism causing acute bacterial prostatitis is Escherichia coli. The best graft for a femoropopliteal bypass is great saphenous vein. The structure used for the demarcation between upper gastrointestinal bleeding and lower gastrointestinal bleeding is ligament of Treitz. Extramammary Paget's disease is commonly seen in the vulva. Platelet transfusion is not done in the case of active variceal bleeding. The best position for a conscious patient to be in during the insertion of Ryle's tube is sitting with neck flexion. The most common neuroendocrine tumor of the pancreas is insulinoma. The most common mediastinal tumor is thymoma. The cecum is the first organ to be visualized to differentiate between the small and large ball in cases of intestinal obstruction. The most commonly involved artery in pseudoaneurysm formation is femoral artery. PCNL is indicated in staghorn calculi. stone greater than 2 centimeters, multiple stones greater than 1 centimeter, proximal ureteral stone greater than 1 centimeter. Intra-arterial calcium gluconate infusion is used in the management of burns caused by hydrofluoric acid. Investigation of choice for solitary rectal ulcer is colonoscopy.